There was a request for a comparison between Dwarf II and Seestar S30. Since we had clear nights again, here are pictures from both telescopes. We'll start with the Pleiades. One difference between the telescopes is the portrait and landscape formats. This can have both advantages and disadvantages. In a direct comparison, I would see a slight advantage for Dwarf II. Next is IC 1805, also known as the Heart Nebula. Always a beautiful object for telescopes with a wide field of view. Well, here's a clear advantage for S30. Dwarf II can't compete. Now for a change, a well-known pair of galaxies, M81 and M82, Bode's galaxy and the Seeger galaxy, a very popular subject. In a direct comparison, the telescopes differ in the colors of the images. I would give them a tie. In the final, the telescopes compete with IC 1795, the Fish Head Nebula. This nebula is also a very beautiful object. As with the Heart Nebula, the S30 performs better than Dwarf II. Overall, the S30 seems to deliver slightly better image quality. What do you think?